Eureka! This is a must-try tips reading DIY tools for kids reading progress. Using a used cardboard, you can make these reading tools. You may add images and use colored markers. And some wooden clips. Say the word by syllables and let your child clip in the right words. Your child will not only improve his spelling, but also his reading skills. Thank you for watching. Eureka!